Hi guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of this beautiful dress. Kindly remember to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up and like. We are creating the triangles at the end of my dress. That's all we're doing because I got a couple of requests on that. So these are the kind of squares we're gonna make, but my cue I'm only making in one color. If you want to continue mixing the colors, well and good, there's no problem about that. And this is the sample that I'm gonna show you all. As you can see, it's just a little sample, then you'll continue as long as you want. So to begin, we are gonna make a magic ring, and of course this is how I usually make my magic ring. Take your hook, the same hook you've been using, okay, and go ahead and make slip knot, but do not fasten the slip knot like this. All right, just make it loose like this and chain 4. All right, so I decided to go in with the 5th because the first stitch usually disappears in there. Okay, so this is how I make a magic ring. Then yarn over, go inside the magic ring like this with a first double crochet, yarn over, go in the ring with a second double crochet like this, and let's repeat that, it's quite loose. So we're going in the ring with 3 double crochets, then we will do a chain in between. Okay, so this is the second double crochet, yarn over, go in the ring with a third double crochet like this. Okay, so we have a chain 4, and then we have the first cluster, which is 3 double crochets. Okay, so from now on we are going to chain 1, 2 and 3. Okay, yarn over, go in the magic ring and make another cluster, which is 3 double crochet. That is the first double crochet, second double crochet and the third double crochet like that. Okay guys, so once you're done with the cluster, chain 1 and go in the magic ring with the last double crochet, which is like this. All right, and then close up the magic ring, pull this yarn like this to close it up. As you can see, we have a little triangle already. Okay, it's more like a heart, it looks like a heart, but the more it continues to become big, the triangular it becomes. Okay, so now we're gonna chain 4 and turn your work. Okay, this is the first row, so chain 4, we will always be chaining 4. Okay, then turn your work around, yarn over, and we are going in with the first cluster in this chain 1 space here. So just go in the chain 1 space and do 3 double crochets. Please note, chain 4 doesn't count as a stitch, so go in with 3 double crochets. That is the second double crochet, go in with the third like this, chain 1. Always remember to chain 1. Okay, so once you've chained 1, yarn over, and now we are going in the middle here where we have our chain 3, and this is the only difference that we're gonna do here. We're gonna put in a cluster, which is 3 double crochets like that. After the 3 double crochets, we are chaining 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, go in the same space with another 3 double crochets. You understand? This is how you make the triangle shape to come in well. Okay, that is the only difference from the other ones. Chain 1, yarn over, go in this chain 1 space here, this space here, and do another cluster which consists of 3 double crochets like this. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, once you're done with the 3 clusters, kindly chain 1, yarn over, go in the same space. You can go on top of chain 4, but it's quite hard. Just go in the same space and make a double crochet like that. And this is how we're gonna work literally. As you can see, the triangle is becoming bigger and bigger. So to begin at the row again, let's do it the last time. Chain 4, yarn over, turn your work yarn over, go in this chain 1 space and do 3 double crochets, which is the first cluster. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, go in this next space here, which is the chain 1 space again, and make a cluster which consists of 3 double crochets like this. Okay, chain 1. After your cluster, always remember to chain 1 in the chain 1 spaces. Okay, chain 1, yarn over. Now we are in the chain 3 space. Remember, we are doing a cluster of 3 double crochets. The second double crochet, then go in with the third double crochet, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, go in the same space and do another 3 double crochets. All right, so this is how we are going to work until your triangle perfectly fits the spaces left at the end of your work. Okay, this is how it's done. I'm hoping you understood this. So guys, we're gonna join the squares, the triangle, sorry. You can see when you join, the tip has to go up like this on this point. This is where the tip, you place the tip, then the rest will be going on the lower level. Then you will use single crochets to join this side, the sides. You will join this side with single crochet and another side like this with single crochet, and then the bottom here we will go in with the stitches, which is in each chain 1 space. You'll just go in with 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1. Let me show you an example on this one, how you're gonna work the bottom, because the bottom will just be like these triangles at the bottom. Okay, so you'll just, after you finish stitching in, reattach your yarn. You'll go in the spaces like this where there's a chain 1 space, go in with 3 double crochets like this. 1, 2, this, we are creating this now. Okay, in each space you'll go with 3 double crochets, then a chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, all round until you get to the end of your work. All right. Okay, so this is how your work will look at the bottom here, like this. You see how this triangle has come in well? That's how it will look. Then continue doing different rows, change color if you want to. As you can see, I changed color, and remember at the end we always join using a slip stitch, then you chain 4 to begin a new row, and remember you always join on top of chain 4. It's quite simple, right? Now everything I think is quite detailed as you requested before. And then at the back here, as I told you guys, there's a V shape that will leave here. If you don't want that V shape, just go in and join the V shape, or you can leave the V shape. Then for the straps, go ahead and just put 100 on each strap, and you'll be good to go. Yeah, and that's how we make this simple, beautiful, unique dress. Thank you for watching. I will see you soon. Kindly subscribe, share your thoughts again at the comment section, and happy crocheting. Take care of yourself. Bye.